This period of relaxation is designed to help you focus all of your energy toward health and vitality. You have recently been challenged to pay attention to things that we all take for granted until confronted with similar experiences. This challenge can be overcome through the activation of the miraculous force that is within each one of us. It is the force which animates our bodies. It is the force that moves in every living thing. Your new challenge is to reconnect with this force by using your powers of imagination and emotion. As you do this, allow your feelings to flow freely. Your feelings need to flow as easily as the very life force that resides within you.